There's a continual
You're much more confident now.
One of the girls had a very interesting visit to this house near London. It belongs to the well-known singing star, Miss Vera Lynn, who in private life is Mrs. Lewis. When the maid came and told her that her home sales advisor had called, Vera was very pleased because she's a keen housewife and fond of cooking. Well, there wasn't much Vera didn't know about the gas cooker, but the advisor was able to give her a few tips about positioning of foods in the oven. She was able, too, to meet Vera's young daughter and to chat to these charming celebrities. It's normal routine stuff, really, but we don't have a star to visit every day.
Well, it's a sort of routine I wouldn't mind. Thank you very much, Eileen.
Work, work, work. So many women these days have two jobs to do. They must earn their living and look after their homes and families. Wage earner, mother, cook. There is so little time for leisure. And cooking, especially good cooking, can take up a lot of time. That's why gas cookers of today have been designed to make life easier for the housewife. Busy, modern woman, always at it. The need to make life easier for her is very real indeed. Now here's a nice little crisis brewing up. It's almost 6 o'clock and Mrs. Clark is hurrying to get off home. She's having a friend round for supper and is just about to leave when... Yes, Mr. Brown?
Mrs. Clark, I simply must get another letter off tonight. Would you mind coming in?
Yes, Mr. Brown. Would you mind, indeed? Selfish brute. You must say yes to Mr. Brown. No more or less to Mr. Brown. But don't worry. Mrs. Clark has everything under control. Let's go back about 10 hours to Friday morning. Time, 7:55. Being an intelligent woman saddled with the double duty of housewife and secretary, she knows the value of planning and preparation and up-to-date equipment. To begin with, she prepares the evening meal before going off to work, and her gas cooker with automatic time control will do the rest. All she does is set the delay time control so that the oven lights itself automatically at the hour she wants the cooker to start. At 5 to 6, while Mrs. Clark is still working back at the office, at home, her meal is starting to cook itself. An hour later, the food is cooked, and the oven burners turn off automatically. Supper's ready in the oven, cooked for the exact time required.
Hello, darling. It's all ready.
Smells good.
There are many advantages in the automatic time control for slow cooking or for fast cooking. No need to keep going into the kitchen every few minutes to see how the supper is getting on.
Don't be long, dear. It's nearly 7:30.
Almost ready, darling. Anyway, Joan's always late. I don't know why you worry so. The food will keep warm and won't be spoilt.
Why are the Hardings always late?
Perhaps their babysitter hasn't turned up. Oh, they'll be here any minute now. Oh. The modern gas cooker takes care of a lot of little cooking worries. This roasting thermometer, for example. When the very center of your roast is cooked just the way you want it, the thermometer warns you automatically. It's the housewife's answer to the perfectionist, like Uncle Charles.
Ah, beef. Underdone, my dear. Underdone. It's the only civilized way to cook beef. Just like they do at Simpson's.
Yes, dear.
Well, I remember... Come on, church. Oh, all right.
We'll be late, Uncle Charles. Bye, Mummy.
Bye, dear.
Bye. And do get back by 12:30. Such a dear. And so very rich. I'll show him beef. You won't let me down. By using the roasting thermometer, she has time to spare. even when cooking the traditional Sunday midday joint. And here's the warning to tell her that the meat's cooked, just as she wants it.
Mummy, it's lovely.
Underdone, just as beef should be. Now, don't you leave any on your plate, Jenny.
Perfect. Perfect. You don't know how lucky you are, my boy.
High-speed gas is your servant. The flame appears instantly at your command. You can see it, you can control it. Automation has its place, but cooking, particularly good cooking, still needs the human touch. Your touch. This way, the compliments are all yours.
This is a Jamaican breakfast. Well, it's a variation on a Jamaican breakfast anyway. They have a plant in Jamaica called a planta, and you have to cook it, unlike a banana. But they don't make planta in this country, and they don't import it, so we've changed it to bananas. And this is very good if you want a variation and you're sick and tired of boiled eggs or whatever you're having. This is very, very simple, and it takes about 4 or 5 minutes if you can once peel the bananas. And it's well worth the trouble. And all you need, anybody who's taking notes, I don't see anybody taking notes. Hello, how are you? You need 3 or 4 bananas, a tin of sweet corn. We'll cut the bananas up. Smallest chopping board in the world. Everything is very low. You don't cook anything fast in this particular thing because the whole pace of Jamaica is very slow. Ah! Woo! Boy, that's warm. Now what you do is you put these face down on a grill like that, you see? Then you have to have a little bit of the, that. Doesn't matter what, as long as it's alcoholic. Doesn't make any difference. How many we got? 4, that'll do. Got to work on an egg, folks. Oh, the style of it all. It might taste terrible, but the style is fantastic. That's lovely. There we are. Salt and pepper is the one thing that can turn a bad cook into an average one. Just so that you won't complain about the washing up, we'll use the same spoon.
Good.
Time I've served this out, it'll be all together. And make it look, it's called Jamaican breakfast. You laugh, but these people have ate this and survived. Bit of parsley, as your father. Smack on there. Hawaiian breakfast, ladies and gentlemen, in one complete piece. If anybody would like to sample it, please do, because I wouldn't touch the stuff.
I'm not eating it. Well, listen, if I suffered, why shouldn't you?
I'll try it first, just a quick try, just to make sure it's not poisonous.
For what we're about to receive, let us all say, ew.
There you go, my dear. That's the best one I ever done.